Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mithun, and in this YouTube tutorial I'm going to show you how to take high definition screen recordings using OBS software. By the end of this tutorial you will be able to export full definition video clips, or should I say high quality and high definition video clips using OBS software without breaking a sweat. And believe me, it is really simple. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before getting started with OBS, I have to give you a disclaimer that I have been using PepoCloud instead of OBS for my web recordings, including my browser recordings and everything else, because PepoCloud has a lot of features that would actually help you record high definition clips without having the need to configure so many things in advance. So if you're somebody with little to no technical experience and expertise, I would strongly recommend to you go with PepoCloud instead of OBS. But if you are somebody who's looking into the streaming world and has to use OBS for some reason, let's dive into the tutorial. On my screen you can see that I have the OBS software opened up, and right off the bat it is automatically capturing the screen of my computer. Right now I don't have anything other than OBS running on my computer, so it is actually capturing itself and giving this weird effect. Anyway, we don't really have to do anything in the recording because I'm not going to save it. So what I'm going to do is first let's talk about the recording itself. As you can see in my recording, I have a complete screen capture available, which means that every detail on my computer is being captured as we speak, and if I do something on my computer, it will be captured by the software. Now, before actually touching this particular option here, I want you to go to the settings panel. And in the recording or stream option, depending on whichever you want to do, make sure that you select the best option that is available there. For example, let's say that you are in the outputs panel, and you can actually keep it at simple. If you keep it at simple, OBS is going to take control of everything, and it will be OBS's recommended options that will be configured on the panel. So what I'm going to do is I don't actually do streaming, so I'm just going to go to the recordings panel. And in the recordings panel you can see that there is an option to actually output the FFMG format, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it at standard. I'm going to keep the recording format at standard as well, and then I'm going to use the encoder as NVIDIA encoder because I have the NVIDIA card. And now this is the rescale output option. If your window actually does not have a full HD monitor, or if your computer does not run on full HD, which is 1920 by 1080p resolution, you can actually rescale the output using this particular option. And right now I'm using a monitor which is a 2K monitor, which means that it has twice the resolution of 1920 by 1080p to 1080p resolution. So it means that I have to actually rescale it to this particular resolution in order to actually upload it to YouTube and not crash my video editor. So make sure that your setting is at least 1920 by 1080p. If it goes below this, it means that your video is not going to be high definition, and when people play it on YouTube or any other streaming platform or video sharing platform, the video quality will be really poor. Now you don't really have to do anything in this particular section. Just go to the audio section and select 320 bits as the bit rate, because 320 means that you're going to capture a really high quality audio from your recording device, which is my microphone in this context, and it is going to sound really good. So that's pretty much it. In the audio video section you can actually select the resolution as 1920, but it would be automatically selected. You don't have to do anything, and after that just click on the apply button and click on OK button. So now the window is gone. Now while selecting the display for your display capture, you have to make sure that you cover the entire screen of your computer instead of just a portion of it. And if you have a big enough screen, you can actually resize it and to actually make it full screen. As you can see, here is a black dot on my screen. This is not actually a black box. This is actually a webcam footage This is supposed to be a webcam footage. Right now my webcam is being used by another recording software with which I'm actually creating this tutorial, so it is not showing anything. But let's say that I have my webcam footage happening here. So this is actually going to be captured automatically while the recording is being captured. So I have a webcam footage here, and the recording will be happening over here. So that's done on purpose. But if you are actually using a DSLR camera and you want to actually make sure that you capture the webcam with a better quality, you can always increase the size of the webcam and actually decrease the size of your screen recording. But it all depends on the type of recording that you're creating. If you don't want to actually record the screen, you can actually turn off the screen recording entirely and make your webcam recording the primary source of your recording. Right now I have not actually configured my webcam for full screen recording, but if it is the case, then you can easily do that. And so I'm just gonna revert back and I'm gonna bring back the screen recording, because I do need the screen recording to be done. Now the next point is to actually export everything in high definition. I have already shown you how that is done, and so you can actually use those settings to record at the highest resolution possible. Now the last tip that I have for you is to actually edit the videos and export it in the highest resolution possible. If you are using DaVinci Resolve, you can easily do that by configuring the export settings in the quick export option, or you can also set the new composition as a full HD composition. I actually do that whenever I edit these videos on my DaVinci Resolve software. But if you're not familiar with that, please go to Google or YouTube and find a video that actually shows you how to actually create a full screen high definition video export in DaVinci Resolve. So that was my tutorial, and I hope this tutorial helped you in some way. If you have some doubt, let me actually go through all of the things that we talked about in this tutorial. In order to actually create a high quality screen recording, you need to make sure that your recording is actually outputted at least 1920 by 1080p resolution. And on top of that, you need to make sure that your webcam is also captured at the highest resolution possible. If your webcam is not captured at the highest resolution possible, it is going to be a very poor quality recording when it is outputted onto the main footage. So make sure that everything is of higher quality. Even your microphone is of higher quality. If your microphone doesn't pick up the quality that you need, it will actually ruin the entire clip, no matter how high quality of a video clip that you have. So that was my tutorial for OBS's high definition screen recording and video recording using a webcam. If you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.